Ayan. So, ngayon naman, itong third video natin is assessment naman natin. Okay. So, magsasagot tayo dito, okay, ng inequalities. For example, we have triangle. Okay. So, balik ko. Then, um, okay. So, for our first problem, okay, as you can see, meron tayong two triangles. Okay? And ang given natin is yung included angle. Okay? So, it measures dito sa una is 95 degrees and 50 degrees. Okay? So, ang problem natin ngayon, ang kailangan nating hanapin, okay, anong inequality or anong symbol ang ilalagay natin dito. So, ang hanapin natin is yung sa angle. Okay? Angle, ito yung angle AC. Ay, angle side. Side AC and side XY. Anong inequality symbol ang gagamit natin sa kanila? Greater than, less than, or equal. Okay? So first, ang given natin is included angle. So 95 degrees. Okay? And then 50 degrees. Para ma-identify natin which has the longer third side, hanapin natin kung sino yung may mas malaking included angle. So, alin na mas malaki, 95 or 50? Siyempre, yung 95. So, it means, yung third side niya, which is yung side AC, should be greater than sa side XY. Okay? So, greater than ang gagamitin nating symbol. Okay? So, ganun lang natin siya sasagutan. Okay? So, another problem. So, another triangle naman. Shit. Yan. For example, we have two triangles. So, ito yung dalawang triangle natin. Nag-share sila sa isang side. Okay? So, it means congruent na agad to. And then, another congruent side nila is yung ito. Okay? So, side AB and side AC, congruent din yan. Okay? So, what if, ang inaano naman natin is yung third side, which is longer. Okay? Okay. So, anong inequalities gagamitin natin for this? So, ang third side niya is yung CD and BD. Okay? Kasi ang congruent side natin is yung ito And then, ito na sa gitna. So, ang third side niya, ito. Okay, nakuha ba? So, which is longer daw? Okay? So, identify first which has the larger included angle. So, ang given natin is 45 degrees and 28 degrees. Okay? So, which is larger? Of course, yung 45 degrees. Okay? So, meron na tayong larger angle. And, kung saan yung may larger angle, ang third side daw niya is longer. So, ang third side niya is yung BD. It means, longer yung BD kaysa sa CD. So, ano nga yung magiging inequalities natin? So, ganyan. Okay? So, ito naman, kabaliktaran, CD is less than BD. Or BD is greater than CD. So, ang inequalities natin ngayon is less than. Okay? Nakuha ba? So, bakit less than? Kasi, nandito yung BD natin. So, BD is greater than CD. Okay? Ang kabaliktaran niya ngayon, CD is less than BD. Kaya less than ang ginamit natin kasi nauna yung CD, which is mas maliit kaysa sa BD. Okay? Nakakalito, di ba? Pero, gets nyo na yan. Malulupit kasi kayong mga bata ko. Okay? So, ganun na naman. So, another problem. Okay. So, another problem. Ang daming problema. Hmm. Okay. So ngayon, we have two triangles. Okay. So ito triangle and ito triangle. Okay. So ang given natin dito is yung third side, which is 7 and 8. Okay. Again, identify pala muna natin kung alin yung congruent side. So ito, congruent na to kasi meron na siyang mark. Ganyan. Okay. And ito namang nasa gitna, nag-share yung dalawang triangle ng same side. So, it means congruent na rin yan. Okay? So, kung ito yung angle, ito yung side na congruent dun sa kabila, and then ito, okay? So, alin ngayon ang included angle natin? It means nandito, sa pagitan na itong dalawang congruent side. So, dito naman sa kabila, ito yung congruent, and ito. Ano na sa pagitan nila? Ito. Okay? Ayan. Okay, nakukuha ba? So, ito ang included angle ng kabila. Okay? Yan. So, next, identify which third side is the longer. Okay? So, dito sa kabila, 8. And dito sa kabila, 7. So, alin ang longer? Yung 8. Okay? So, 8 ang ating longer third side. So, ngayon, aling angle naman yung may larger. Okay? So, yung may longer. Okay? So, ito, it is named as angle BAC. So, saan yun? BAC. Itong included angle na yun. Okay? Is it greater than sa included angle na itong isa? Which is yung ACD. ACD. So, itong angle na to. Okay? So, ano nga yung gagamitin nating inequality? Okay? So, itong isa, BAC, nandito, is it greater or less than dun sa kabila? Okay? So, ang third side niya is 7. Mas maliit kaysa sa kabila. It means, less than ang gagamitin natin. Okay? Kasi mas maliit yung third side niya. It means, mas maliit yung included angle. Okay? Nakuha ba? So, ganun lang. Ito naman yung kabaliktaran ng kanina. Kanina, ang given natin is angles. Ngayon, ang given yung third side. So, Ngayon, pag given ang third side, ang i-identify natin naman is yung included angle. Kapag ang given naman is included angle, ang i-identify naman natin is yung third side. So, baliktaran lang sila. Okay? So, guys, thank you for watching. Ayan. So, please leave a comment down below and subscribe. For more wish videos, click here. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Ang hirap pag walang pasok. Hindi siya nakakatuwa. Yan. So, thank you ulit. Panis, may gitara. Hampas ko sa inyo yan eh. Yak lang. Bye-bye guys. Mag-aral kayo ng mabuti, eh. Thank you.